Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. We have made it. We made it through Thursday, and now we just have to survive a Friday, which shouldn't be too bad. And we will make it to the weekend. I'm so excited. Hope you guys are excited too. Just want to relax this weekend, not think too much, and open up some Pokemon. Hey, did you guys get some Shining Fates? I think that's out. I've been kind of avoiding it, just because it's in such high demand. I know I'm gonna have a really hard time finding it, so I keep my expectations low. So here it is. Ooh, Cubone, and the camera's working good today. Boom, adorable, hugging the bone. Boom. Ooh, Buffalo, one of the really cool artworks. Look at that, the action shot charging in with the background looking so dynamic. Very nice. Very cool. Hey, and we got a Rapid Strike card. The Carvine? Neat. Another action shot. Hitting you with the Rapid Strike, the Vine Whips, probably. Neat. Cool. And today we have an uncommon, it looks like. Very cool. And our first uncommon is. Wow! Hey! Oh gosh. Cheryl? It escapes me. I'm gonna pull it up real quick. I know in Japanese it says Momi. Survey says it is Cheryl. Hey! Go me! Pulling that out of nowhere. Very cool artwork. Would be really neat to have the full art. And in the back we've got a Galarian Mr. Rhyme. It's a very nice artwork. The way that I don't know how to describe, but like there's no distinct, you know, like black outline on on the Pokemon. Everything is that kind of art style. Very cool. All right, and I think we have I think we've got five brand new cards too. So very nice. Let's put them in order. Cheryl's gonna be in the back. Caravine in the front. And put Cubone right here. We should be good. Let's get our binder. Ooh, getting old in my shoulder. Okay. So, Rapid Strike. Caravine's number 6. Mm-hmm. Neat. It's nice little cross pattern that we got going on over here. Number 21. Galarian Mr. Rhyme goes right next to Galarian Mr. Humime. And here we can see, can see the artwork that we didn't get to see yesterday. Enjoy that. And number 40 is our Cubone. Girder is 43, so 42, 41, 40. Does that mean we get... I think we do get a Marowak in this set. Because it's gotta be, right? Because it's gonna be Marowak and then Timber. And to round it all out, got the Buffalant. Number 59. Hey, right in the middle of the Perugly and the Indeedee. Definitely a really cool card. And it's a common, so we hope we see more of that. And of course, Cheryl is number 68, so she'll be going right here in the middle of the final page. We can take a quick look at how the binder is coming along. Very nice. Could use a little bit more rares, but that's okay. And then this page, these pages are a little sparse, but these ones are filling out really nicely. So it's cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. And yeah, y'all have a really good Friday. And I will see you guys tomorrow.